Actually, I've got video. We'll go ahead and do it.
Ready?
Yep, go. All right, heal the man up.
That's the only problem with Gilly's hits. I hit that guy 6 times before he called his hit.
Yeah, they don't like to call it when they're trying to move up.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll just keep shooting him.
That's what I did. The one that was in the woods that I got, I just kept shooting him until he finally called it.
I'm a bush, so I can't get shot.
Exactly.
Okay.
I was like, yeah, so, okay, full auto.
Even the trees feel the BBs.
How's the Westwood looking? Oh, he's using the radio.
Ow, hit.
I got you. All right. Roger that.
Which one was that? Is that the KWA?
Oh, yeah.
Now, basically what we do is we just kind of walk by like this. And you just repeat. Then they see.
Oh, shit. Watch the backside. Watch our backside. We got this. You get the backside. Watch the backside. That's right. Call them out, baby.
Are you hit?
They should all be hit.
We had a couple who made it into the woods.